Good morning, children. Welcome again. Next question, that is AB are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 7:3. On 1st April 2016, their capital were 1 lakh and 40,000 respectively. Okay, interest is to be charged on capital and drawing at 10% per annum. B is to be allowed salary 1,000 per month. A and B withdrew 1,600 per month respectively on the first day of every month. Okay, profits for the year prior to calculation of interest on capital and drawing, but after charging B's salary amounted to itna, and provision for commission to A at 5% on net profit after charging such commission to be made. Prepare P&L appropriation account. Okay, then first we will write profit है आपका 54,960, but after charging B's salary. Then we will start question by P&L account. Okay, net profit 54,960 plus this profit is come after charging B's salary, partner salary. Then we will add partner salary again because we will write partner salary this side. Okay, then salary है 1,000 per month, so 12,000 per year. 1,000 into 12 plus 12,000, total 66,960. This is the profit. Okay, then we come back to the questions. क्या क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? What is to be calculation? Interest on capital and interest on drawing and salary. Then lastly is commission. Okay, first we will calculate calculation of interest on capital. Okay, A and B. What is the capital? A is 1 lakh and B is 40,000. Interest rate है 10%. Okay, then A 1 lakh into 10% and B 40,000 into 10% is equals to 10,000 and 4,000. ठीक है, then we will charge this side to interest on capital A's and B's. Capital 10 and 4, total 14,000 in outer column. Next है heading आपका interest on drawing will come this side because it's firm's income. Interest on drawing, A's capital and B's capital. Okay, then we will calculate interest on drawing A. Okay, what is the drawing? A withdrew 1,000 per month on the first day of every month. Okay, 1,000 per month. Then what is the formula? Formula should be learned you. Total drawing into rate upon 100. First day है, then we will average period, average time upon 12. then total drawing क्या है हमारी A की 1,000 into 12, then 12,000. रेट है आपका 10%, क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, into average period. We take average period when the first day of every month, 6.5 month upon 12. Point हटा नीचे 0. Then we will start calculation 0 0 and 0 0, 12 से 12. Then interest is equal to 650 of A. Next है B. Then B की total drawing 600 per month. 600 into 12 is equal to 7200. Formula, same formula, first day of every month है, into rate है 10% into 6.5 upon 12, point हटा 0, 0 0 0 से 0, 12 6 जा 72, 390. Okay, then interest we will write there, we write here 650 A's drawing and B's drawing का 390, total in outer column 1040. Then we come back to the point on salary. B is entitled to salary 1000 per month. So to B's salary, B's capital 1000 into 12,000. Clear? Then after that a provision for to A at 5% on net profit after charging such commission. We will give to the commission to the A after net profit. Net profit, how we calculate net profit? This total minus this total, we will find the net profit. Working net profit is equals to 66960 plus 1040 minus 14,000 interest on capital plus salary 12,000. Clear है? 66 67 68,000 minus 26,000 is equals to 42,000 is equal to net profit. Then A's commission. Language after charging such commission. You already read in 11th class about manager's commission. Manager commission में भी 2 conditions होती थी, before charging such commission and after charging. When after charging such commission, 42,000 into 5% देना है upon 105. 2,000 commission. Then he will charge 2 A's commission, A's capital 2,000. Clear? Then nothing in the question is remaining. All adjustments are made. We will distribute profit. Profit divisible is equals to 42 minus 2 is equals to 40,000. Okay, then distribute A and B. Ratio given in the question 7:3. Then 40,000 into 7 upon 10. B also 3 upon 10. 28,000 of A and 12,000 of B. Then we will write in the P&L appropriation account to share of profit, A's capital and B's capital. 28,000 we calculation हम कर चुके हैं, ये 40,000 profit. Total of P&L appropriation account 68,000. Okay, then question is complete. P&L appropriation and working. Okay, thank you very much.